Klaviyo dynamic coupon. In this video we will talk about klaviyo dynamic coupon. How to make a coupon. How do I add a dynamic coupon code to klaviyo? Here are some steps. Upload a coupon into klaviyo. Navigate to coupon. Click uploaded coupon. Click to create a coupon. What is a dynamic coupon? Click the power for your coupon. Auto generated a unique coupon into a klaviyo. This is how do I generate a coupon in klaviyo? Create your coupon code in klaviyo. Navigate to contact coupon to klaviyo. How do I create a unique discount code? Use a voucher free code generate to klaviyo. Yeah. Now how to create dynamic coupon in klaviyo. So click on the website, go to the website on klaviyo, and this is some steps. You will learn how to create a dynamic coupon and unique coupon. How dynamic klaviyo coupon, unique versus static coupon code. So follow on my instruction in the video. Unique with static coupon code. Static coupon code means that there are only one code. Welcome 20. Here, example welcome 20. Every person will receive the same code when we will use it as static. However, klaviyo Now here is some step up klaviyo to create coupon code, and this is why you need to klaviyo per issue per pi and extension in the use This is very efficient. So thanks for watching our video.